You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.